How to report a problem on TikTok. For that, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of TikTok application. Once you check that, launch your TikTok application and hit on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see three lines. Tap on it and select Setting and Privacy. Now, scroll down to the last. There you will see Report a Problem option. You have to simply hit on that. Then from here you can easily report a problem in which you are having an issue. You can also directly chat with TikTok team by simply hitting on Chat with Us option. In this way, you can easily report a problem on TikTok application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.